Hi there, my name is Toby, and I am back to introduce to you a concept, an important concept called functions. Now, what is a function? A function is very simply a preset formula. Examples ranging from sum, average, add, subtract, end of month, VLOOKUP, transpose. Now, given a function is essentially a formula, we'll be using both terms interchangeably. Now, why are functions important? Well, for one, functions provide a quick and efficient way of performing an action. That means that when you set up a function correctly within your spreadsheet, you can copy it and paste it across the spreadsheets, making your life easy. There are many different types of functions that exist. We've got math functions, which include sum. We've got logical, such as if. We've got statistical functions, including the average and the count. We've got operator functions, examples including add and subtract. We've got lookup functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and others such as date, array, and Google Finance. I assure you, you are going to master all of these different types of functions. Now, all functions take up on a similar basic structure. That is, you always begin with an equal sign, followed by the function name, followed by an open parentheses which encloses arguments, and it ends with the closed parentheses. Now, the x and y are called arguments, always separated by commas. And for each function, you will have different numbers of arguments and different types of arguments. Arguments can be text values surrounded by quotation marks. They can be data ranges. They can be calculations. So we will learn which arguments are appropriate and which are required for any given function. Now, keep in mind that the function name is not case sensitive, meaning if you have the function name beginning with a lowercase letter or an uppercase letter, Google Spreadsheets will register it regardless. Now, always remember the equal sign and the parentheses are required features, so always keep that in the back of your mind when you're setting up a function. Now, if the function is not set up correctly, you will have an error. That is, Google Spreadsheets will inform you with an error signal when the function is not set up right. And lastly, when we get into more complex functions, such as the array functions, that function will require something called curly braces, shown here. And of course, we will get into that, and that will be featured in our advanced series. Okay, so there you have it, an intro to functions. We'll see you next time.